So simply go to your desktop, select Solidworks application, right click on it and click on open. So you will get the window of Home Basics. So there are three options: part, assembly and drawing. So we need now assembly. So just click on assembly tab to reach on assembly page. So we are in assembly page because of our title at the upper stream is assembly 1. If you want to import some parts, then you will get already there is option of open documents, and you can also go to the browse feature and select your SolidWorks file from the files. So this is our SolidWorks assembly workbench. Thank you.